south of the Blvd new construction estate in prime Sherman Oaks location. Two-story masterpiece with a perfect entertainer's layout with gleaming natural light that illuminates this home's stunning aesthetic. At 4,416 square feet, this home exudes impeccable interior design surrounded by lushly landscaped exteriors. Formal living room W fireplace greets you through a dining space, family room, and luxurious chef's kitchen with contrasting cabinetry, large island top of the line appliances, butler's pantry, breakfast nook and bar. Family room highlighted with a coffered ceiling and statement-making fireplace revealed by fold doors that lead you out to an entertainer's yard with sparkling pool and spa, patio, BBQ, immense grass space, and pool house W full bathroom. 5 spacious bedrooms and 6 bathrooms make up the home's resting quarters W and ensuite bedroom, conveniently located on the first floor. Master suite delivers a balcony, walk-in closet, high ceilings, fireplace, and luxurious master bath. Upstairs accompanies remaining ensuite bedrooms as well as a generous loft space with a private balcony. Close to abundant fine dining and entertainment, this home checks off all the marks, leaving no room for disappointment. Perfection in every way.